magiging maganda yung result, no? For some of you na nag-a-apply, ay baka for this week matatanggap na kayo, may marireceive kayong tawag, no? Kasi mag-o-open na no? O doors are opening, no? For a new career, no? New business. So, matutuloy na, no? For some of you, kung ito yung nasisense ko. So, what else? So, you are brave enough, no? Worthy, no? So, yan, no? So, sinasabi dito, kaya mo yan, no? Kumbaga, baka for some of you na magbi-business pa lang, no? First time to have a business, huwag kayong matakot, no? So, maniwala lang kayo sa sarili nyo, no? Kayang-kaya nyo yan, no? Whatever it is, lakasan yung loob nyo, no? Sa umpisa, talagang mahirap yan. Wag kayong mag-expect na magbo-boom, no? Always